let's take a look here. Hive number 1. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. It's been a bit, so they stuck it down well.
So it's been about 3 months since we've really looked into them.
Oh, I can't get it open.
Now they got younger.
Nah, I don't even have guards out there yet. Oh. Thank you.
Holy crap.
All right. Now we'll take a look at our bees.
Let's see.
Can you go over there? Looks like I haven't done this in 3 months. Still nothing much on this side.
Yeah, I see nectar.
Yeah, they got some nectar. Excellent.
Is that a queen cell started?
Yeah. Lots of pollen. Good, good. Not as much as I'd want, but their queen's doing well.
As long as she's still in there, that was our worry that they swarmed.
They swarmed because it was a lot calmer outside on the porch or on the landing board for the last few days. Figure part of that's just the weather though.
Yeah, our temperature's starting to drop here. We've been around, mid 80s. This side's looking pretty good. Not a lot of, I don't see any eggs.
No? Damn. No, it looks like they're filling this one with pollen now. Got a brand new baby right there in the middle.
Yeah, I saw that one.
Oh, there she is. Hey, babe.
Queen's on it. She must be laying eggs because we haven't seen any eggs on there.
I'm not seeing any on this side either. But this is where there are a few larvae.
Looks like their honey stores are looking good around the brood.
Yeah. Okay, I feel better about this one already, and she's looking gorgeous.
Yeah, she's nice and plump.
Be careful with that frame. And look how calm they are. That's a nice.
Really bumping.
No, they're just flying around. They're going, hey, what's up? I see a couple older larvae.
I see some new bees. They're only a few days old. Probably came from that other frame though.
Yeah. Well, we got older larvae in this one. Oh, we got some young larvae. Oh, there's an egg. There's another egg. Okay.
She's still laying, that's good news.
Yes. Check this side again. I can't tell what order she's going in. And I see some that they've chewed out. There must have been some kind of problem with the larva or the pupa. I think next week we'll start the mite treatment.
Little mosaic looking.
Yeah, she's not laying in the best pattern. Getting a little shotgunny.
And they're starting to build queen cells at the bottom. So
Yep. It's okay. That's normal. It's natural. Well, I'm only going to check another couple of these if it looks this good. I mean, they're a little short on stores, it looks like, but she's laying on almost every frame.
yeah, and she's up top, so.
Oh, they could be filling downstairs, yeah. Do we want to check that today?
I don't know what the procedure is since we've seen a queen up top.
It would still be put it over there.
Yeah.
And be careful. But this is all looking like brood. That one's brood.
If we have to add another super top and then a feeder, we can.
Yeah.
Of course, I see a lot of honey in here.
Do you? Okay.
I'm sure the peeps.
I'll pull that one. More than anything, I wanted to move this one over. Oh yeah, that's all brood. Okay. You saying on this one?
This one looks pretty thick. These two.
Oh yeah.
Heavy.
Oh yeah. This one's a nice one.
I see nothing on the end of this back frame.
They don't seem to like the edges. Oh my God. Get in there. There we go. Yeah, this feels like one of the 6 we pulled out already. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's
Oh wow.
full. Full up of honey, boys. Full up.
Oh yeah. That's a beautiful frame.
Yeah, it's a nice looking one.
And this side of this one looks about the same.
So we pulled 6 of these frames total
Yep.
that look like that. We're gonna save this for them, and the next one's even.
This one's all honey too.
This one's the same.
Yeah, I see both sides of it. There's no brood in that. So they've got a bunch of stores over here. The brood's over here. I'd really like to look at a frame or 2 down below, but they're being so peaceful.
There's a couple flies in there just
They're just
mingling.
hanging out.
Kind of mad. And that is stung them.
You got stung?
Yeah.
Okay, well then we're not gonna check the bottom. We're just gonna scooch this all back. Well, I guess that doesn't close, that goes that way. And get them all taken care of. We don't want them getting too upset today. They've been so good for us.
They've been pretty good. I took one sting on the tip of my finger with Leo's glove. But we'll also note that we haven't smoked them at all.
No, they,
We got some fanning happening over here.
oh, we will have fanning. The only time I'm going to smoke them this. Oh, I'm sorry. Got your little leg. It's this one here.
Oh yeah, I see.
There you go.
Now it's gonna sting you because it doesn't want to live.
You broke my third leg.
Cripple bee.
They won't make fun of me now. They'll call me Gimpy.
We'll have to get a whole bunch of little wheelchairs and put them in.
For all the little Gimpy bees.
All the ones we just take the legs off of.
This is the one I want to be extremely careful with.
You got quite a bit on that.
I know. That's why I'm going slow. And we got her in the middle. That is the one bee we don't want to screw up. Yeah, we haven't seen them this calm in a while. That's nice. I am going to smoke them to get them to go down. Smoke them.
Smoke them if you got them.
Scatter girls.
This is harder to get open. Gloves on.
Look at that.
There we go.
Yeah, it's swollen.
Is it?
Yeah. Okay. And we did figure out why these were a little more aggressive for the last few trips. We do have a skunk in the area that's been loitering about. honeybees don't like skunk. Can't say that I blame them.
They're probably both gonna be out of focus.
Right.
This GoPro's just kind of getting.
Oh, well, these are looking good inside.
It would be nice to have this one on a tripod, just
Yeah.
straight down.
So we're hoping these guys are a little more calm. I am expecting to have to smoke them though. Oh, get some pretty B-roll. Come on, out of the way.
This one's got a lot more buzz to it when we open it.
It's got a lot more bees.
Holy hell. That's some backfill in there.
Is it?
Oh yeah, it's completely full.
Oh yeah, beautiful. Now that's not, I guess it is backfill. You can see where she had laid some.
The brood here.
Yeah. And this side, they do have a queen cell, but they're backfilling it with pollen and nectar.
This is a very productive, we've pulled a majority of frames out of this hive.
Most of them have been from here, yeah.
They've got some Africanized DNA, we're assuming.
They're just, wow.
Yeah, this one's full. Oh no, it's got brood.
Yeah. They're both wanting to put brood on the edges, which I thought they weren't gonna do, but.
This hive's been slightly more aggressive, but a lot more productive.
Still not getting bumped yet.
I've been really good a few times.
Okay.
I didn't really my camera and I think it'd probably sting my left hand.
Ah.
Oh, got some capped.
Got a lot of capped. Nice. Oh yeah, that's looking good on this side.
Pretty clean on this side.
I'm not seeing her here either. I wouldn't expect to though. This one's all full of large larvae. What do we got over here? Not much.
I think they're bumping the camera. I hear them smacking into it.
Well, we're gonna make this one quick. We still see signs of the queen.
Not sticking it with
It's out again. God, I hate smokers. But we're not gonna get these guys too riled up, because then it causes troubles with the neighbors even. So.
Yeah, and they stay aggressive for 2 days?
Sometimes. Oh.
Oh man.
Wow. That's all honey on this
I
side.
see some capped on this side.
Yeah.
I see a queen. Can't tell in this cluster.
Oh, sorry. And there are no babies. I see eggs in this one though. Look in the very bottom and the. Yeah, time to go. Okay, we found evidence of eggs. I will call that good. I just got bumped 3 times in a row.
Oh yeah, they should. Hold on, let me grab this GoPro. I mean, they're all over the camera here.
Yeah. Just a quick one. Sorry, girls.
Oh, they're bumping my. Ooh, nope, don't do that.
They're mad now.
Yeah, they're angry.
Oh my God! Listen to that entire hive. They're swarming us.
Yeah, they're not. These are some unhappy bees. Out on the front there, really good.
Wow.
You guys hopefully can hear that on the video. So
Okay.
Go ahead and leave this one. All right, here we go. We're taking half the hive with us. They're still on camera. Really bumping the face of it. You got a couple. You got one on your.
Oh
pants.
Yeah.
How my pants look? Last time I had about 30 of them. Oh, she's stuck in the pants. Yep. She made the right decision for the wrong people. I got stung on the hand, looks like. No, both my thumbs, both the hands. Go ahead and retract this camera. Grab my other camera, Deez. Here we go. Right now, they're gonna follow us for a while. Now we're relying on the GoPro audio. All right, now we're down to 1 or 2.
What?
Now I'm down to 1 or 2.
It says 1 or 2. They're the problem though.
Oh shit! I'm gonna go grab our phones.
I got my phone in the wrong microphone.
Yeah, I didn't grab my phone. All right, here we go. Going back to the backyard, grab a phone, see if they aggro on me immediately, or if they're still just kind of want us out of the area. Got the phone. Yeah, I got a couple. One just went up and stung me. Well, I guess it didn't sting me, it stung my glove. But they're not even hesitating.
Yeah, I wouldn't be unhappy if that hive didn't make it.
Yeah, that hive's more for country or...
Yeah, I can't put it in my backyard.
Yeah, it's not gonna be a backyard hive. We need to find a place to put them. Because they're very, I mean, it's a good hive, very productive.
Oh my god, it's amazing.
Still, just sting me already and let's be done with it.
Yeah, we've both got 1 or 2, like usual.
I've got like 6 in my hands.
Then you got this one.
Yeah, you still got the... and I got the one.
Yeah, and it's just gonna circle the head until we take
Yeah.
off the veils. Then they'll sting us.
See if I could sting my
About
hand.
it.
Yeah, if I get to sting my hand, at least I'll leave us alone.
Almost.
Alright. Well, that concludes the GoPro excitement. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please leave us a like. And if you want to see future content, please subscribe. And as always, we'll see you on the next one.